Hi, I'm John Grimes, the Chief Executive of the Smart Energy Council.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, and I'm the founder of SunWiz.
For a long time, the Smart Energy Council has sought to identify and reward industry-leading people and companies.
And SunWiz has been identifying who the leading retailers of solar power systems are since 2009.
SunWiz has determined OnePower installed more solar batteries last year than most other companies. We can say this with confidence, having performed a conclusive study of industry databases.
Of course, business size isn't the only measure you should use when choosing a solar retailer. Bigger doesn't necessarily mean better.
Which is why we're happy to report OnePower is also amongst the best rated solar businesses Australia-wide.
We set out to do the best job for the longest period of time, and we've been able to achieve that. Being able to back up what we planned on doing a long time ago, and now to be recognised with the most volume in the country, being able to install a large amount across the entire country of battery storage, and couple that with the fact that we've been recognised for our customer feedback, customer reviews as the best rated company as well. It's exactly what we set out to do and what we plan on doing for the future.
So we encourage you to consider buying from OnePower. When it comes to size and customer satisfaction, they're head and shoulders above most others.